Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic Unhappy Son and His Dagger. Once in the Upper King, a poor father had 3 sons, but there was hardly anything to eat in the house. With the pressing situation, the father decided to send his sons to different places to find their own living. If you stay here, you will never be able to make your future. And remember, each of us have our own future destiny. The father advised his sons convincingly, although the boys were sad to part from their father. They were left with no choice than to agree with the old man. The eldest son was given a ladder as a share of the father's estate, while the second brother had a grinding stone. The youngest son was given an old dagger as his share of the estate. He was unhappy with his share, thinking his father was partial, favoring his 2 brothers only. The eldest brother used his ladder to climb and break into people's granaries. He led a satisfactory life, selling grains and other food items whenever his stocks ran out. The second brother used his grinding stones to grind maize in a village. He fulfilled his father's dream by earning a better living than his elder brother. The unhappy brother desperately continued working until he could hardly walk and stopped in an old woman's house. "My son, you are young and fast, you better run away," suggested his kind old hostess. "Why is it better for me to run away? Who is going to kill me?" The boy asked, unable to understand what she said. There was a statue in their village temple. At night, this statue transformed into a demon and harmed people every night, and that night the old woman's turn had come. "Tonight our furious statue will devour me. Now eat, drink and run away," pleaded the old lady. But the boy insisted he could fight for her. In the evening, the boy went to the temple and waited for the darkness to descend. After a while, he was surprised when he heard his dagger from his pocket. "Brother, you stay here. I will do whatever required to be done in the temple." And with this, the knife flew into the temple. The boy waited eagerly for the outcome, and soon he heard loud noises from the temple. He moved to a closer sight, and from nowhere the angry statue jumped right at him. But it was his own knife that saved his life. It had shattered the stone into pieces. The worried old woman went to look for the boy the next morning, but she could hardly believe that the boy was still alive and the most feared statue smashed into pieces. People were pleased by the fall of the fearful statue and unanimously appointed the boy their savior as their king. If given by love and care by your parents, be happy with it. Keep it and preserve it even if it is a needle. It would prove its worth in some way someday. Phami menlam jatab nani jatip, tontab nani tontip. If parents make 100 wishes for their children, they would be fulfilled. And if 100 wishes were made, they would also be fulfilled. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.